Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. Imagine banks shorting MicroStrategy to crash its stock and buy cheap Bitcoin. Is this the start of a death spiral in 2026? Today, in this quick 5-minute guide, I'll break down the risks step by step, why it's happening, and my best strategy to profit as a beginner. No hype, just real facts from latest data. Let's dive in before the MSCI decision hits on January 15th. Step 1. What's happening with bank shorting? Understand the short attack. As of January 2026, short interest in MicroStrategy is around 10-11%. Banks like JP Morgan are rumored to be betting against it to force the price down. Why? MicroStrategy holds over 672,000 Bitcoin, worth billions, but its stock is dipping. This creates a death spiral fear. Stock falls, company borrows more to buy Bitcoin, debt rises, stock falls more. Real data from analysts shows a 10 to 120% collapse risk if Bitcoin dips below 90 ketals. Step 2, the death spiral risk. Explained, is the death spiral real? Yes and no. MSCI might exclude MicroStrategy from indexes on January 15th, causing more selling pressure. That's the big trigger. But remember, 2021? Similar shorts happened, then a squeeze sent the stock up 5x. Positive side, if Bitcoin rebounds to 150K as predicted by Fundstrat, MicroStrategy could hit 400 plus. Confusion cleared. It's risky, but not the end. It's an opportunity if you play smart. Step 3. Why banks are doing this? Banks' motive. Buy cheap Bitcoin? Rumors say yes. By shorting, they crash the stock. Force MicroStrategy to sell Bitcoin, 30% chance per poly market, and scoop it up cheap. But Michael Saylor says, never sell, he's holding strong. Real tip, watch short interest data weekly on sites like Fintel. If shorts cover, squeeze coming. Step 4. Best strategy for beginners, short and simple. My best strategy to profit, don't panic, diversify. Hold 5 to 10% in Bitcoin ETFs, not direct MSTR stock if beginner. Dollar cost average, buy small amounts monthly, ignore dips. If death spiral hits, wait for rebound. History shows 12 to 18 month recovery. Safe play, 40% in AI stocks like Nvidia, safer than MSTR. This strategy has worked for me. Low risk, high potential in 2026. Final take, bank shorting is real drama, but MicroStrategy's Bitcoin hoard could win big if rebound happens. Question for you, death spiral ya short squeeze? Comment below what you think. If you like this quick guide and feel inspired for 2026, hit like, subscribe for more beginner tips, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one. Let's make 2026 wealthy.